Great news. You've made it to week 5, the last week of the class. There's a couple things I do want you to be aware of. Every I'll post in here your week 5 assignments and then a reminder as to when they're due. But it's very important this week that you understand on the last day of class at midnight, I cannot take any assignments, no matter what. There's no exceptions to this rule at all. It can't be, oh, my internet was down, oh, I wasn't feeling good, oh, we had a storm. Okay, it can't be anything. You gotta, kind of know what's coming, because I need to do grades. Literally the next day, I do your grades. Okay, and so it's really important that you follow the assignments and due dates. So you'll go down to the week 5 readings and the week 5 overview, and you'll look at what's due and when it's due. Okay, and make sure you're aware of the due dates. This will change each term, but just make sure that you're aware of the due dates. It's midnight and of the date due. So go through it and know when that is, and I will post it twice to remind you. And then week 5 is kind of a cool week. You've made it to the last week of the course, and it's great. We're going to create a PowerPoint presentation, which is a lot of fun, and we're going to do use the mail merge feature in Microsoft Word, which is kind of cool. So you start with week 5. And just like all the other weeks, you go through each tab. And the over here are great activities for you to click on to go through, and tutorials. They're outstanding, as we've said. So you want to go through those. Those are great for you to learn. And then you have examples of great PowerPoints over here. Go through these. Themes, all those things. So you'll have, and then you're going to go through adding content, backing up, and then we'll talk a little bit about mail merge. Now, mail merge is a little harder, and it's your final assignment. So make sure that you click on mail merge, and you got to go through this. Okay, understand what it is, and then here's step by step how to create a mail merge. Step 1, step 2, step 3, all the way down to step 6. So make sure that you understand how to do it. Here, these videos will teach you how to do mail merge. So make sure that you view these steps, and when you actually do it, you can kind of refer back to this. But also just sit back, relax, and watch these videos. They're really good. It's really handy. They're great skills to have. So go through these videos and watch them. Okay? Then we have the week 5 discussion. And as per always, we have our discussion question here. We're talking about mail merge in the first one. And then you have to click the second discussion question. Don't forget, right here, second discussion question. And make sure you answer those questions regarding PowerPoint. And PowerPoint's pretty easy, and it's always fun. So you've got PowerPoint, which is fun and easy. Mail merge, which is really cool to learn, but it's a little harder. So kind of use your time wisely this week. And then finally, you have your final assignment, which is the week 5 assignment 2, putting it all together. And so you're going to put everything together in this final assignment, which is pretty exciting. It's kind of cool to go through all of the things you've learned. Okay, now you do have to zip a folder. So let me just show you how to do that quick in case you're not sure how. Okay, so let's just say I have this jump drive. This is my backup of my jump drive. let's just say I want to zip that. All I have to do is click on it one time, then I right click on it, and I go to send to, right here, send to, and I send it to a compressed zipped folder. And you'll see it'll pop up. Oh, I forgot I have a ton of documents in there. Okay. Well, it'll pop up and it'll look like this right here. It'll look like this with the zip on it. Now I don't know what got deleted here, or what didn't show. So, but this is what a zip folder looks like. Okay, so you click on your file, you right click, you go send to, and you click compressed folder, and it'll compress it, and it'll look like this, a zip. Okay, just remember, biggest thing about week 5, everything's due at the due date I post at midnight, because I have to do grades within like 48 hours, and I usually do them 24 hours, so I do them real quick. Make sure you get everything in by the due date. Other than that, it's been fantastic having you in class. Please contact me if there's anything I can do to help you or anything you need. Have a great final week.